Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to dress like a clown and steal the show and dress to impress. So here I'm going to show you the best 3 items to create an authentic clown's silhouette, and now let's just get started. For starter, I'm going to show you the hair that I use for the clown looks. I'm using this updo, combine it with the bangs from this two, and then this updo in here and this one. You can get this one from the curly hair category. Now let's just make the outfit. So you can start by going to the main section here, put on this top, and just use these patterns right here. Make it light silk, put on this jeans in here, and I'm going to change the color, this red color like this. Put on this hat. For the first review, use the pattern, and for the second, I'm going to go with this light brown color, combine the flower with some red here. Okay. Now go in here and put on this sleeves. For the sleeves, I'm going to use patterns right here. And for the cuffs and the lace, I'm going to go with red. Now put on the gloves, make it short with no fur, and use same pattern like the hat. Now you can go in here and put on this leg warmer. It's the same pattern. I'm going to go on another item. So I'm going to use these earrings. I'll go to the in here. I'm going to put on stops here. For the first review, I'm going to use the red color, and let's just use all red for this one. These sleeves right here, use the pattern, combine with the red color, this dress in here. I'm going to use the sleeves, just like this. Then you can put on some. Here I'm going to use the ruffle from this skirt. So choose number 5 and remove the chains. You can use the patterns and also the red color for this one, like this. And I'm going to put on this jeans and use the same red color. This. And also put on another skirt for the details. I'm going to use this one. So it's into number 1, so it will become dress. And just use the patterns like this. So guys, that's it. This will be the final look for clown in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.